The refrigerator light has gone from yellow to red. There's no avoiding it now. It's time to change the filter. Be careful with water. Whether hurricane or leaky faucet, when you got water where it's not supposed to be, it's a mess. This filter is a little sticky and doesn't jump out when you open the filter door. There's a protrusion on the filter that the doohickey on the filter door is supposed to catch on and pop the filter out. But like most things, human or mechanical, after so many cycles, it just doesn't work anymore. But there's always a way. To get it out, attach a drywall screw to the filter. This one's plenty long. No point in being bashful. Attach a vice grip to the screw, then attach a 200-pound gorilla to the vice grip. I will push the fridge back where it was. Here's the new filter. Installation is the reverse of disassembly, with less effort. It's critical that you run 4 or 5 gallons of water through the system to get it all flushed out. 4 gallons or 5? Well, that's not critical. And out goes the old ice. We'll make new ice with the new, freshly filtered water. And of course, dump a few of the new ice batches too. Here's a quick tip for keeping track of gallons when you're flushing by quarts. Keeping track of 4 or 5 gallons a quart at a time is a tall order, but counting to 3 or 4 is easy if it doesn't take too long. For every 3 or 4 quarts, move a new object into place. So we flushed out 1, 2, 3, 4 gallons, and a mug or so. Now you can reset that indicator to green with a clear conscience and reward yourself with a cup of refreshing refrigerator water. You did good today.